Hello, I'm Adam from Adam's Lab and I'm doing a voiceover. So now let's get the battery mount and the battery pack. And the wires needs to be facing to the left and the battery mount needs to be facing to the right. And you need to take this little plastic thing out of the battery pack and put the wires through the little gap in the battery mount. And now get your centering and then put your battery mount on. Now get your motor and then just put it in through the middle. And now get your motor cover and then put it on the motor. And then get your toolbox and then get 3 screws and 3 rockets. And now you just need to put the screws through from the other side and then put the rockets down. And then just unscrew it down a little bit so it's just on there. So when you want to completely screw it, it will be, you can screw it. And then do that for the other two. Now you got them done. And now get your fan and then put it on the motor. And now connect the wires. So the one that's closest to the motor wire, just need to connect it. Just like that. And you need to now get your foam skirt. Now just put it down like that, right until the line that's halfway through, that's at the bottom, just needs to make sure that it rests over it. You might wanna ask for some help if you need it. And so do you. Yeah. So now get your lights, yeah. And then connect it with the other wire that still hasn't been connected. And then put that on top of the rocket. Through the little gap between the rocket. And you need to make sure that there's little things that go inwards. They fit in. And then get your wood ring and then make sure that the black side is facing up. Now get your cover and just need to take off the thing that's on two sides, on both sides, and then just put that and just rest it over for now. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in that. Now get your orange ring and 3 screws. Now place make sure that the cover's over the holes as well as the orange ring. just like that. So there's stop and check. So you can turn your hard disk on. Now see if it works. And now get your screw. You'll find it with in the packet that has the push buttons and that used to have the wood ring. Yeah. So if you're wooden through brick, yeah. So then you can just use any other. Yeah. And I'll get your push button on both pieces. Just put them through, and then get your springs. Get one of them, and then just put it in. Yep, just like that. And then get your stopper, and then make sure that the line that little line that goes inwards is with you. And then just press the button and make sure that it pops back up. And you should make sure that the very fat side is at the back, and then that the rubber foot is also under that little gap. And then do the same for the other those spaces and buttons, as well as rubber feet. And then get your stoppers as well, and your springs. And the springs are in the toolbox. And you just put that stopper on like that. Yeah, so now I just get a rubber foot under the lap. And you might want a grown up to help you to get the rubber feet under the little gap. Now get one, yeah, and then get one elastic cord. And then you just need to thread that elastic cord through. Yeah, just just like that. So you need to make sure that some of it is still like facing out, and then just connect the other side to one of the other foot and the other feet. And then you need to get some weight for this. And make sure that you face the feet the right way. And you'll need some weights for all of the rub feet. Wanna get your hard disk? Now turn it on. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.